Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Vermilion, Ohio to Willowick, Ohio, open waters from the islands Ohio to Willowick, Ohio, until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 11 nautical miles northwest of western Vermilion, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Willowick, and Avon Point. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. For the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Holmes, Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull and Wayne, and Avon Point to Willowick. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 309, effective until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Holmes, Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull and Wayne, and Avon Point to Willowick. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 309 has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Holmes, Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull and Wayne, and Avon Point to Willowick. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, southern Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, until 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:22 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Warren, Ohio,
turn some of these
10
off.
miles southeast of Cleveland, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expected tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Ravenna, Solon, Hudson, Twinsburg, Street, Borough, Warrensville Heights, Macedonia, South Russell, Garrettsville, Highland Hills, Man Way, Garfield Heights, Shaker Heights, Maple Heights, Broadview Heights, Aurora, Brecksville, Bedford, and Beechwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeated, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Cuyahoga, Geauga, Portage, and Summit. The service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore and open waters from Vermilion, Ohio to Ripley, New York, until 3:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:24 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 25 nautical miles north of Avon Point to 6 nautical miles southeast of Kelly's Island, moving east at 55 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Geneva on the Lake, Conneaut, Erie, Willowick, Fairport Harbor, Cleveland, and Ashtabula. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Harrison County and east central Ohio, north central Guernsey County and east central Ohio, east central Coshocton County and east central Ohio, southwestern Carroll County and east central Ohio, southern Tuscarawas County and east central Ohio, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Newcomerstown, or 9 miles southwest of Hicksville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source: radar. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include New Philadelphia, Hicksville, Freeport, Newcomerstown, Denison, Natticut, Tuscarawas, Riverdale, Port Washington, Alliston, Barnville, Delaware. This includes Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 56 and 77. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Tuscarawas. Western Harrison County and east central Ohio, Guernsey County and east central Ohio, southeastern Coshocton County and east central Ohio, eastern Muskegon County and east central Ohio, northwestern Belmont County and east central Ohio, south central Tuscarawas County and east central Ohio, northeastern Noble County and east central Ohio, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cambridge, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source: radar. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Cambridge, Barnesville, Freeport, Gainesville, Bethesda, Antrim, Flushing, Quaker City, Connecticut, Belmont, Holloway, Moore City. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 171 and 211. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 40 and 57. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Tuscarawas,